How to block pop-up and ads in Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily block the pop-ups and ads in your Microsoft Edge. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Edge and then to head over to the settings, tap on the three dots on the top right beside your profile, go to settings, and then you will see privacy search and services. Tap on it and then go to cookies. Now here you can see block third party cookies, toggle it on. uh, for that you'll need to toggle on allow sites to save and read cookie data, and then you can toggle on the block third party cookies. And now you will not get pop-ups and ads. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.